What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got a different video today. I have some cool ideas. I want to run them by you. So, welcome back to the channel and let's get started. What's up, guys? It's Mark from Eric's Machine. Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody is having a great day. So I actually got a message from a young guy that actually makes some parts, asking if I wanted to dyno test one of his pieces and film a video on it. And thinking about it, I think it's a cool idea. So I wanted to bring this up. So we're getting ready. Probably, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks, I'll have some time to be able to fire up the dyno and do some pulls. So at the moment, I have a 61X bone stock. It's actually mounted on it right now, that we can test with it. And I have a couple, heavily modified 62Ts. I probably even have like a 771 laying around that we can throw on this and beat on it. So if you guys have any parts that you want to see tested, let me know. I would like to do it. So I think it would be a cool video, dyno testing on the same motor. Maybe we'll do the stuff that I can do. We'll do a 44 on this. We'll do a 46 on it. We can do an ADA head and change a bunch of domes. That's stuff I can do. But if you guys have some weird parts, aftermarket chambers that were built, stuff like that you would like tested and you're in the area, or you want to ship the parts to us for us to test it, and obviously I'll ship it back to you after we're done, I think it'd be a cool video. Also, this goes out to everybody in the industry that builds your own parts and stuff like that. If you want the stuff tested to see how it performs, I would be happy to help with that. Obviously, it would be something we would have to schedule. And we can even figure out to do it, on the YouTube channel or not on the YouTube channel. Because honestly, when you're testing parts originally, they don't always make more power. And that shouldn't be a process that is just on YouTube. You don't want to see somebody fail just to fail. So I'm happy to do it either way. We've built all this equipment over the years to have cool stuff to test it. I think the best way, though, to help everybody get better is to be able to share some of this stuff. There aren't many people that have, engine dynos set up for watercraft engines that vary water flow just like a jet pump does, which ours does. I know of a couple others. I know, Dan from DASA has had his forever. He's like the first one that I knew that did it. But having access to these things is really difficult, and they're expensive to build, and you need to know how to operate them and stuff like that. But I kind of thought it would be a cool video that we could do it, and maybe every 6 months or something like that, we'll do the Yamahas first, then maybe we'll do, the Kawasaki 750 afterwards. We can do some different parts with that, and pipes and different things. And I know we're getting ready to do Chris Scudder's 787, which will be playing with a bunch of stuff on that as well. But if you guys want to put in comments down below different things that you want tested and you want to see, let us know. Now, one caveat, it's got to be like your own design part or a part that you've had. Like, there's a whole bunch of really, really cool parts from back in the day. Like, before the 61X, before the 62T, sorry, a lot of people would actually go on the 701, and we would, not me, because this is before my time, but they would cut this whole reed area off and weld in a Kawasaki reed area. We've worked on several of those setups. They actually perform really well. I've never compared them to stock, but weird stuff like that, if you have it laying around and you want it tested, weird old cylinders, I think it would be some cool content to make for everybody so that we can see the differences and show it all. You know, as I've said, we've tested a lot of stuff. Some of the stuff, I've been amazed at how well it's performed. Other stuff, I've been surprised at how poorly it did. You know, we've done a lot of changes to different setups to see. And what you think is going to make it better doesn't always. And, you know, the old adage, there's no replacement for displacement, isn't always true, but sometimes it is. So seeing the power differences on each, I think it would be a cool video. I've had multiple people ask me about it, and I think with this whole situation that just came out, I want to help the industry, not hurt it. I want to see the industry grow, and I want to see young guys come into it and build powerful stuff. You know, we can all work together and make our own stuff, make our stuff better, and make this industry better, make more power. And the best way to do that is with data. So, you know, let me guys know what you guys think. I think personally it'd be a really cool video. If you guys have parts, you know, you can email us at ericksonmap@gmail.com. It's down below. Or, you know, message us on Facebook or Instagram. Message us down here what you got, what you're thinking about. I think it'd be a very cool video. This is brought up by somebody else, and I agree with him. I think it's cool. I think, you know, the part that he designed, I believe, I don't know how long he's been making it, but he wanted to see the power difference on it. And the honest truth is, I've never tested one, so I couldn't give the answer. The best way to know it is to throw it on and test it. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys think it's a cool idea. If you do, comment down below on what you would like to see tested, and we will try to make a whole list of it and do it. Now, granted, please remember, you know, one, a lot of this stuff either I have to pay for or people have to lend to me, because this type of video could get very expensive very quickly. You know, luckily we have a bunch of stuff here. So, and just remember, at the moment, we're going to start with 701 base, so 61X or 62T. So, thanks guys for watching. Have a great day. Talk to you later.